Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a piano software instrument track. Do that now. Next, enable musical typing with Command-K or plug in a MIDI keyboard so you can input notes quickly. Set tempo and key to match the song. This helps letter labels line up with beats. Also adjust the editor grid to 1/16 or 1/8 because precise snapping makes later labeling easier. Once done, record a short clip or draw in MIDI notes so you have material to annotate. You now work inside the piano roll. Select a single note or a range you want to label. Open the note velocity or articulation lanes to add emphasis markers that match your letter annotations. This helps the ear when reviewing. Decide how you'll represent pitches, a through G, and include sharps or flats in parentheses so your labels are consistent. Then use the event list or a text overlay track to attach the corresponding letter to each MIDI note. This keeps audio and notation synced. Finish by creating a lyric-style text track or a separate annotation region and type each letter aligned to the measure grid. This makes the letters audible as cues or visible in video. Export the MIDI if you need external notation, or bounce audio while exporting your annotation file, like a synced TXT or PDF. If labels shift, make sure tempo changes aren't active, confirm quantize settings, and check the project sample rate. Those typically cause misalignment and are easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.